Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create two columns of text in Canva. Before we start, it's important to know that Canva has two different workspaces. You can create a design like presentations, posters, social media, and etc. Or you can create a Canva document, which works more like a word processor. The way you create two columns depends on which one you're using. For example, let's go ahead and create a new design on presentation. Once your design is open, click on text, add a text box, type in your content, and resize the text box so it only takes up half of the page. Then, duplicate it and drag the copy to the other side. There we go. Now, you have two separate text boxes side by side. This creates a two-column layout for Canva design. You can adjust the spacing, the alignment, and the font size to make both columns look clean and balanced. Now let's look at how the two columns work on Canva document. So inside the document, place your cursor where you want the columns, then type a / on your keyboard. Type in columns. From the options, select two columns. Canva will automatically split the page. You can now type or paste text into each columns easily. This method is faster and best for long text like articles or report. Use text boxes if you're working on visual designs like presentation or posters. And use Canva documents with columns if you're writing longer content that needs clean formatting. Both methods works well. It depends on your project. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.